So here we have another unboxing video. This is for a set of black DRL Angel Eye headlights for a Peugeot 207. We'll open these up and we'll have a closer look. So as you can see, when you're ordering these online, these are packaged really well, so we avoid any damages during transit. The kit comes as a pair of headlights, one for each side. On the lens is a protective film. This just stops any scratches during transit in the box. So now these headlights are out the box, let's take a closer look. So this set has a row of 3 LEDs along the top, which can be illuminated for a DRL headlight, and they also have twin LED halos. The dip beam projector is this projector here, which gives it a Xenon style look. It's like a glass eyeball projector. Obviously these lights are black inner, it's a matte black finish. It's a really good upgrade to do, really easy and simple to do at home. Most enthusiasts probably can do it on the drive. These lights are fully road legal, they are E-marked, and they are for right-hand drive UK roads only. This is a really stylish upgrade, ideal for anybody who wants to modify their Peugeot 207